Hey guys, are you want to buy best drone landing pads? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best drone landing pads that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Kinbon Drone Landing Pads. This drone landing pad is a must-have for any drone enthusiast. Made from high-quality waterproof nylon, it's lightweight yet durable, with a generous 28-inch size that folds down to a compact 11 inches for easy storage. The double-sided design with bright blue and orange colors provides clear visibility in different environments, while the high-precision printing ensures it won't fade easily. The included accessories, 8 reflective strips and 3 landing nails, make it especially useful for night flying in windy conditions, offering extra stability and guidance. Compatible with a wide range of drones, including DJI Mavic, Phantom, Inspire, Parrot, and more, this landing pad is truly versatile. Its fast-fold design and portable carry bag make it convenient for travel and outdoor use. Overall, this landing pad combines durability, practicality, and thoughtful design, making it an excellent investment for safe and smooth drone operations. Now our second product is CQT Drone Landing Pads. The 17-inch foldable drone landing pad is a compact and practical accessory for drone pilots. Designed to work with a wide range of models including DJI Neo, Avata 2, Mavic Series, Mini 3 Pro, FPV drones, and more, it ensures a safe and stable takeoff and landing surface in any environment. The double-sided yellow and orange design improves visibility compared to darker options, making positioning easier in various terrains. Measuring 16.9 by 16.9 inches, it's lightweight, easy to fold, and comes with a storage bag for effortless portability. Built from high-quality waterproof PU/PVC material, the pad is durable, washable, and resistant to stains, making it reliable on sand, grass, dirt roads, or even snow. This landing pad is not only functional but also thoughtfully designed for outdoor use. With responsive customer support, it's a dependable choice for both beginner and professional drone users. Our third product is Hoodman Drone Landing Pads. This drone landing pad is designed with convenience and reliability in mind. Unlike traditional pads that require stakes, it is weighted for stability, ensuring it stays securely in place on pavement, grass, or even sand. The rugged fabric construction makes it durable enough to withstand rough terrain and rotor wash, offering long-lasting performance. Its trifold design allows it to fold down to 1/3 of its size, making it quick to pack, lightweight, and highly portable for outdoor adventures. More than just a landing surface, it also protects valuable gear by keeping dust, dirt, and debris away from drone gimbals and cameras, ensuring smooth and safe flights. Perfect for drone pilots who need a sturdy, portable, and protective solution, this landing pad combines functionality with ease of use. A reliable accessory that enhances both the safety of your drone and the quality of your flying experience. Now number 4, Sky-High Bullseye Drone Landing Pads. These 48 inches by 48 inches aerial targets are an excellent tool for drone mapping and surveying, especially at low to medium altitudes up to 400 feet. Their large size ensures accuracy when scaling and verifying maps, providing a reliable reference point during post-processing. The thoughtful center pass-through design is a major advantage, allowing survey stakes or markers to remain in place while the GCP is positioned, making setup and retrieval faster and more precise. Built from weatherproof mesh, the targets are both lightweight and durable, with a matte finish that reduces glare for clearer image capture even in bright sunlight. With corner anchor points, they stay secure in the field and can be left in place for repeat missions without worry. These GCPs are also widely compatible with leading photogrammetry and mapping software, making them versatile for professionals, educators, and industry use. A practical, durable, and highly effective solution for accurate drone mapping. And our last choice is DJI Drone Landing Pads. This DJI Neo bundle is perfect for drone enthusiasts who want both performance and convenience. The package includes the palm-sized DJI Neo drone and a 30-inch double-sided landing pad with a carrying case, making it a complete setup for smooth flights. Weighing just 135 grams, the Neo is DJI's smallest drone yet, compact enough to take off and land on your palm while still delivering impressive power. Equipped with a 1/2-inch image sensor, it captures stunning 12MP photos in crisp 4K UHD stabilized videos. Pair it with DJI Goggles 3, RC Motion 3, or FPV Remote Controller 3 for an immersive flying experience, with a video transmission distance of up to 10 kilometers. Thanks to rocksteady and horizon balancing stabilization, it remains smooth and reliable even at high speeds or in level 4 wind conditions. Overall, this bundle offers portability, durability, and top-tier performance for both beginners and experienced drone pilots. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.